Hey everybody, Model Man Frank here. So the recovering of the bottom wing of the EAA Biplane is now complete. I just have to clean up some yellow here. Taking off monocoat, especially old monocoat, is really messy, especially if it's a bright color. If it was clear or white, it'd probably be a whole lot easier, but when it's bright yellow or just yellow in general, the paint on the monocoat itself gets all over everything. I mean, you can see some of it chipped away on my desk. I'll have to clean my desk up and then continue the builds of other models that I have and make sure none of that yellow stuff gets on my other aircraft. I got the wiring in for the ailerons. Now I just have to run all the hardware for them. As you can see, hardware is going to go in next, and then I will do a dry fit of putting the aircraft together with the bottom wing and the top wing, and also run the motor. Motor will be this one here, which is an E-Flight 650 kV. I think I can use a 50 amp ESC on it. I think that will be a 50 milliamp ESC, which would be good. And fly it with a 3300 4-cell battery. I think that will be just enough to push this aircraft up in the air and be able to probably do some rolls and tricks with it a little bit once I get used to flying it. It's got a very large control surface area. I don't think it was meant to have such a large control surfaces, but some builders, when they do build these aircraft, they have to put, I don't know why they do something like this, but whatever. So these are the servos for the interior. I'll be putting those back in. One's for the rudder. I guess the guy put rudder, elevator, and then the push rods are over on that side. I'm going to bring the fuselage up here this week and finish wiring up the fuselage. I also have to finish up over there is the cockpit. That'll be the last. And then the turtle deck, which is right over there, is buried underneath all that stuff over there. I'll finish that. Those will be the last two things to go on there. I really want to finish up the wing and getting everything wired up. And then on to the next, getting back to the other aircraft that I'm working on also in the shop. So for right now, this is what's going on, and we'll catch you on the next one. Model Man Frank out. See y'all later.